The E-mini S&P futures edge up 0.2%, while VIX futures drop 2.68%. Tesla and Apple are lower, but Amazon and Nvidia lead higher. Let's see how our positions line up against today's moves. All right, let's get started. The E-mini S&P futures are up by 0.2%, with the VIX futures down by 2.68%. If we sort this by net change, we can see that Tesla is down by 1.15%, with Apple down 0.85%. Amazon is up 1.76%, and Nvidia's up 1.5%. Let's go take a look at our positions and see if we have anything that we need to adjust or close or possibly open some new positions. So if we look at Chipotle, it's our only position with legs in the money. We'll take a look at this vertical spread here. We'll go to the analysis tab. We can see that it's really gone against us here. We are just north of 39. We're 39.35, and we want this to be more in the 45 range. So if we go take a look at the chart here, we can see that we had a significant drop here in Chipotle today. In fact, we are trading just outside of the 3 ATR, and gosh, we're just down. So let's see if maybe there's an opportunity to put another position on here in Chipotle. Well, the IV rank is 25.3. So what we might do is buy a call spread. We can take a look at that. We can also look at another vertical put spread. Let's keep that one on the radar. Just in case we want to do that. We are 39 DTE, so nothing we need to do there now. Nothing else has legs in the money, so let's go take a look at the DTE column. Everything is 39 DTE. We'll take a look at the IVR column. The only underlying under 20 is IBM, and that's a vertical put spread here in IBM. And we are in the zone. We're in the right zone here. So we are actually up by $73. Gosh, did we have a significant rally here today in IBM? Let's go take a look at the options chain here in IBM and see where we're at. We sold this one for $1.39. I'm just going to run through the math here. $1.39. We collected an additional 13 cents. When we rolled it out. And so we're at $1.52. You can see that here. Average trade price, $1.52. And our original profit target was, I can work the calculator here, 69 cents. So we'll take 152 minus 69. So we're targeting 83, which is our limit order we can see here. So everything stacks up, looks good. We're currently at a mid price of 99 with a limit at 83. It's kind of been a little bit of, I wouldn't say a roller coaster, but this one has just really come our direction. And you know what? I'm happy with just taking this guy off. You know, we're up 53 cents. It's $53 on a $51 on a one lot here. Let's just get rid of this thing. So I'm going to put a closing order in here for $1. This is IBM. We'll update that. We'll pay a bit more for it. Let's pay $1. P&L is kind of going against us here a little bit. And all right, we are filled for $1 in IBM closing order, closing for profit there. So good. All right. Leaves us, everything else is above 20 on the IVR here. If we take a look at the earnings column, we have PEP on 10.9, which is still over a month away, and these other two are over a month away too, so nothing to even get excited about here. Let's take a look at our watch list and see if there's any opportunities here for us to open up any new trades. So we'll go to the watch list here. We'll check the filter, and we'll take off the 3 stars. So we're only looking at 4 stuff. So we only have 2 underlyings here really to look at that are green on the 5-day change. On IV, it's Rocket Companies and CNC, which I thought we had a position in CNC. But you know what? Let's go take a look at our activity tab. We skipped that earlier. CNC, we had filled today at 10:54 a.m. for 92 cents. Let's just take a look at what happened here. So we'll go back On 8/19, we sold a short strangle for $1.08. We rolled it on 8/29 to the next expiration cycle for an additional 38-cent credit. And then we bought it back for 92 cents. So let's do the math on that really quickly here. We'll say 108 plus 38. So we had a total credit of $1.46. We were targeting 54 cents. So $1.46 minus 0.54 puts us at 92, which is exactly what we closed for. So we made 54 cents, $54 on that one, as expected. So if we go back to our watch list here, we see CNC is listed here with earnings in 1024, IV rank of 62. Let's go take a look at the chart and see what it did. It hasn't done anything like super exciting. So that was not a movement that really helped us out today. It wasn't even really an IV crush. It was time. Let's take a look and see if we want to reload in CNC. So we'll go to set up a short strangle in the 39. Gosh, we're at 39 days already. Go to the table tab. We'll pull this one out, 18 and 16, 95 credit on 275, buying power effect, 73%, pop at 85p, 50. Where do I think CNC might go from here? I don't know. I mean, it's trading really low. Could go up, could go down. Nobody knows. If we're at the 18 delta and the 16 delta, we're only collecting 95 cents. If we move this up, I mean, that's outside of the expected move. If we move it up, we can collect $1.29 right at that 68% pop, 79, 83 on P50. 65 on the IV rank. Yeah, it's been in that zone. I don't know. Maybe with today being a down day, we could see what a short put spread looks like. Let's go to a short put spread here. I don't just totally love that one either. I think let's just let's let CNC rest a little bit. We pulled a little bit of money out of it today, so we'll let that be. Let's check out RKT. I don't think this is one I've traded before. Go over to the short strangle, push it out to the 39-day. It already was 19 delta on the puts, 18 delta on the calls, puts us at the 17.27 strikes for $1.13. Buying power effect is 1636, a little more than I had hoped for. Pop 73, P50 83. The width of the bid ask is 54 and 61 and 35 and 73. That one's way more than I want. So I don't love this one either from a liquidity standpoint, even though it does have a 5-star liquidity rating. The rest of these, I know they're all red. I just kind of want to run through them and take a look. Let's jump over and look at the 3 stars, see if there's any opportunity here. SOC, Barrick, MP. We can look at Barrick, but I don't think this one's set up for us before. And I don't see anything significant that has changed. Nope, no premium there. This is a wonky numbers there. We don't play with wonky numbers. Let's get MP. 18-day or 39-day rather. 23. These bid-ask spreads are pretty wide here as well. That's a decent credit. Really decent credit. And the spread's not too bad on the call side. Put side, we go down here, what, 15, well, 20 cents wide, 15 cents wide here. What if we just push this out, go a little bit? So we go to the 8 and the 8. $1.05. What's going on with MP? 48 to 90 puts us right about here, right about here. What's the bid ask look like here? 10 pennies wide and 20 pennies wide. Those things are all over the place. 20 pennies wide there. I mean, gosh. I smell something that tells me don't trade this one, but I can't really figure out what it is other than the width of the bid ask. Here's 20 pennies wide. But other than that, everything else, nothing else looks too bad. Let's just throw this one on, see what happens. I hope I don't regret this one. All right, maybe I shouldn't chase it too far. We're not gonna, let's say we won't chase it past a 101. We're at 102. And we'll go to 101. That's it. Nothing further than that. We didn't get filled. So we'll let that one hang out there and see if it gets filled. If it does, that's fine. If not, I'm not too worried about it. Back to the list here. We don't really have anything else we can look at. If we want to go try to look for, well, the market's closed now, so we just missed any opportunities that we had. We'll go ahead and cancel that. All right. Well, there's nothing else for us to look at today with it being 3 o'clock Central Time. So with that, we will jump back on this tomorrow, and we'll look forward to seeing you then. All right. Stay tuned. Thanks.